Want a dominant physique? Forget the gym. Forget fancy machines. Build real strength, speed, and power using your body and raw discipline. Combine calisthenics with martial arts, and you'll become an unstoppable force. Here is the ultimate training blueprint. There's no magic pill, no shortcut, and no hack that will make you a beast overnight. You either put in the work, or you stay weak. This blueprint is for serious warriors only. If you're lazy, make excuses, or expect results without effort, stop watching. But if you're done being average, if you're ready to build a body that can outlast, outrun, and overpower anyone in your way, then it's time to strip away the nonsense and get to work. No fluff, no gimmicks, just raw, undeniable strength. Let's get started. Step 1. Build your power. Strength. That matters. Power in a fight isn't just about being big or lifting heavy weights. It's about explosive movement, the kind that lets you strike before your opponent even sees it coming. When you hit, it needs to feel like a shockwave, not just a push. That kind of power comes from training for speed, force, and reaction time. Train with explosive movements. Forget slow, controlled reps. Fights are fast, and your training should be too. Focus on explosive bodyweight exercises that mimic the power you'll need in a real fight. Fast push-ups. Don't just go through the motion. Push the ground away from you as hard as possible. Clap push-ups. Teaches your body to generate force quickly. If you can't do claps yet, push up as hard as you can until your hands leave the ground. Jump squats. Trains your legs to launch you forward or help you dodge. Land softly, explode back up. Burpees. Full body explosiveness. If you hate them, that's a sign you need them. Reps and sets. Focus on quality over quantity. You're not here to build endurance right now. You're here to train your body to generate power on demand. That means low reps, high intensity, 5 to 6 reps per set. No more than 4 sets. You want to keep your energy for maximum effort. Training to failure? Only do 2 sets. If you go too far, you're training fatigue, not power. Train for real-world power. Lifting weights won't teach you how to hit hard. Punching the air won't prepare you for the impact of a real strike. You need contact training. Punching bag work. If you have a heavy bag, hit it like you mean it. Focus on speed and power. Every punch should feel like you're driving through the bag, not just touching it. No bag, no problem. Shadow box like you're in a real fight. Don't just throw lazy punches. Imagine an opponent in front of you. Move, dodge, attack with full intensity. Hit the air like it owes you money. Train like you fight. If you move slow in training, you'll move slow in a fight. If you half-ass your reps, you'll half-ass your strikes when it matters. Power isn't just about strength. It's about intention. Train like every rep is life or death, and when the moment comes, you'll be ready. Step 2. Reflexes. Become untouchable. A strong body means nothing if you move like a tank. In a real fight, the guy who can move fast and react instantly is the one who walks away. You don't need to be the strongest, you need to be the hardest to hit. Think about the best fighters in the world. Are they slow? They dodge, slip, and counter before their opponent even finishes throwing a punch. That's because speed and reflexes determine who controls the fight. If you can react faster than your opponent, you already have the advantage. Why reflexes matter more than strength. Imagine 2 fighters. One is big and strong, but slow. The other is lean and fast with sharp reflexes. The slow guy throws powerful punches, but the fast guy dodges every single one. And while the big guy is still recovering from his missed strike, the fast guy counters and lands a clean shot to the jaw. Game over. This is why speed beats strength in most fights. If you can avoid getting hit, you don't even need to worry about how hard your opponent punches. Train like a ghost. If you want cat-like reflexes, you have to train your body to react without thinking. This means drilling movement over and over until dodging becomes automatic. Here's how. Number 1. Partner drill. Learn to read punches. Get a friend to throw slow punches at you. Your only goal? Dodge without flinching. As you get better, have them speed up. Focus on head movement, slipping, and weaving, not blocking. Number 2. Solo training. Shadow box with movement. Shadowboxing is not just throwing random punches in the air. Move like you're actually in a fight. Slip, bob, and weave while throwing counters. Imagine someone swinging at you. Stay light on your feet. If you're flat-footed, you're already too slow. Number 3. Fast footwork. Never stay in one spot. Work on sudden direction changes. Jump rope, shuffle, and pivot constantly. Sprint, stop, change direction instantly. If you're slow to move, you're slow to dodge. Watch pro fighters. They never stand still. They're always moving, creating angles, making it impossible to hit them clean. Step 3. Speed. Be faster than everyone. Speed is everything in a fight. You can have all the power in the world, but if you're slow, it's useless. A fast fighter will hit you first, dodge your counters, and make you look like you're moving in slow motion. Think about it. Have you ever watched a real street fight? The guy who throws the first clean punch usually wins. That's because speed beats brute force every time. A fast punch to the chin ends a fight before the big guy even knows what happened. Speed isn't just about throwing fast punches. It's about moving like a blur, reacting instantly, and never letting your opponent get a clean shot on you. If they can't hit you, they can't beat you. Speed isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. And if you train the right way, you can get faster than anyone you face. Number 1. Sprint like your life depends on it. Speed starts from the ground up. If your legs are slow, your hands will be slow. Your whole body has to be fast. Sprint short distances, 10 to 30 meters, at max speed. Rest 30 seconds, repeat 8 to 10 times. Focus on exploding off the ground, just like you'd explode forward in a fight. Over time, reduce the rest period. This builds fight endurance plus raw speed. Number 2, jump rope, until your legs beg for mercy. Jumping rope isn't just for boxers, it's the ultimate footwork builder. Start with 3-minute rounds, just like a real fight. Stay light on your feet. Never let your heels touch the ground. Mix it up. Regular jumps. Double unders, 2 spins per jump. Side-to-side movement. Boxer shuffle. Shift weight from foot to foot. Jump rope every day and your footwork will be 10 times faster in a month. Number 3, endurance. Never get tired. A strong man who gasses out is a weak man. It doesn't matter how hard you hit if you're too tired to throw punches after the first 30 seconds. Strength without endurance is completely useless in a real fight. Think about it. The guy with better endurance always has the advantage. If you can keep moving, keep punching, and keep defending while your opponent is sucking air, you win by default. If you're gassed out after 10 seconds of explosive movement, you're finished. It doesn't matter how strong you are, how fast you are, or how skilled you are. Without endurance, you're dead weight. Endurance isn't just about running more miles or doing endless cardio. It's about training your body to handle high-intensity movement for long periods. Step 4, strength. Pure power. Most people think strength means lifting heavy weights in the gym. But what happens when you need to climb, jump, sprint, or fight? That's where functional strength comes in. Calisthenics doesn't just make you stronger, it makes you faster, more explosive, and more in control of your body. If you can pull yourself over a wall, lift your own body weight, and move with agility, you have real strength. A guy who benches 300 pounds but struggles with 10 pull-ups isn't strong. He's gym strong, not life strong. But a guy who can do 20+ pull-ups, muscle-ups, and one-arm push-ups, he's got next-level strength that actually translates to real life. How to train for functional strength. If you want to build serious usable strength, follow these principles. Number 1, stick to medium rep ranges for strength and growth. To build raw power, you need to train in the 6 to 12 rep range, not endless high reps and not low rep max lifts. 6 reps equals pure strength, 8 to 12 reps equals strength plus muscle growth. Every rep should be controlled and explosive, not rushed. Number 2. Master weighted calisthenics for maximum strength. Once body weight reps get easy, you need to add resistance. The easiest way? A weighted backpack. Weighted pull-ups builds insane upper body strength. Weighted dips makes your chest and triceps explosive. Weighted push-ups increases pressing power. Weighted squats strengthens legs for real-world movement. If you can do 10+ weighted pull-ups, you're stronger than 90% of gym goers. Number 3. Master advanced calisthenics moves. If you want true elite-level strength, you need total body control. These movements separate average guys from real athletes. Muscle-ups, the ultimate pull-up test. If you can pull yourself over a bar in one motion, you've got next-level power. One-arm push-ups, pressing strength without relying on both arms. A true test of balance and control. Handstand push-ups. If you can press your entire body weight upside down, your shoulders are elite. Pistol squats. If you can squat deep on one leg, you have incredible balance, coordination, and strength. Most guys who lift weights can't do these. If you can, you've built true strength, not just size. Step 6. Durability. Can you take a hit? Most people train their muscles but completely ignore their bones until they get hit, kicked, or punched and realize they're fragile as glass. Here's the truth. If your bones are weak, your strength is useless. You can lift heavy weights, do insane calisthenics, or even have a powerful punch. But if your knuckles, shins, and forearms aren't conditioned, the moment you hit something hard, you'll feel it way more than they do. Think about it. If you throw a perfect punch but your knuckles aren't tough, you'll break your own hand before doing serious damage. If you throw a hard kick but your shin isn't conditioned, you'll be the one limping. How to condition your bones without destroying them. Bone conditioning isn't about smashing your body into hard objects like a lunatic. It's about gradual adaptation. Your bones, like muscles, respond to stress over time and become denser and tougher. Number 1. Train your knuckles for powerful punches. Your hands are your main weapons in a fight. If they're weak, they'll break before your opponent does. Knuckle push-ups. Do them on a hard surface, wood, concrete, or gym mat. Start with slow reps and build up over time. Light bag work. Punch a soft, heavy bag without gloves at first. As your hands get tougher, move to a harder bag. Rice bucket training. Dig your hands into a bucket of rice, squeeze, and twist. This strengthens your fingers, wrists, and knuckles all at once. Number 2. Condition your shins for devastating kicks. Your shins will feel like baseball bats if you train them right. But if they're soft, every kick will feel like hitting a brick wall with your bones. Light shin. Tapping. Start by tapping your shins against a soft pole or bag. Over time, increase the intensity. Heavy bag kicks. Start light, then work up to full force kicks on a heavy bag. This makes the bone denser and nerves less sensitive. Number 3. Strengthen your forearms and wrists to absorb impact. Most people think strength comes from their biceps and shoulders, but if your forearms and wrists are weak, your strikes won't land with real power. Wrist curls and reverse curls. Strengthen the small muscles that protect your wrists from impact. Dead hangs. Hanging from a bar for 30+ seconds strengthens grip and forearm endurance. Hammer work. Holding a hammer and rotating your wrist in different directions builds unbreakable wrist control. Number 4. Don't overtrain. Bones take longer to recover. Unlike muscles, bones take weeks to adapt to stress. If you overdo it, you'll get microfractures or stress injuries, which will set you back months. Start slow. Don't go from 0 to full force kicks overnight. Listen to pain. Soreness is fine, but sharp pain equals stop. Injuring yourself now means no training for months. Use proper nutrition. Your bones need calcium, vitamin D, and magnesium to recover and grow stronger. Step 8. Warm up. Don't be stupid. A cold muscle is a slow muscle. Warm up before every session. Do a lighter version of your workout first. Before weighted push-ups, do normal push-ups. Stretch only if necessary. Step 9. Nutrition training is useless if your body runs on garbage fuel. Protein equals strength. Eat twice your body weight in grams. Example: if you weigh 60 kilograms, eat 120 grams of protein. Want size? Eat 200 to 300 more calories than you burn. Want to lean out? Eat 200 to 300 fewer calories. Don't dirty bulk. Fat slows you down. Stay lean. Stay fast. Drink water. Tons of it. Are you serious? If you're truly committed, you'll do the work. No excuses, no shortcuts, just results. If you like this video, hit the like button. It helps others find this content, and that helps me too. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.